Mindfulness, a journey of healthy life. Mindfulness, a journey of healthy life. Welcome to our journey into mindfulness, a practice that brings peace and clarity. Observation is a key component of mindfulness, allowing us to truly see and understand our surroundings. Let's clarify what mindfulness is not to better understand what it truly is. Mindfulness is often mistaken for a religious practice, but it transcends spiritual boundaries. It's not merely a way to feel happy or positive. Mindfulness goes deeper. Mindfulness is not about controlling thoughts, but about observing them without judgment. Mindfulness is more than just a relaxation technique. It's not just meditation, it's a way of living. Breathing practices are fundamental to mindfulness, helping us stay grounded. Mindfulness is about being aware and present, experiencing reality as it is. There is a strong scientific foundation supporting the benefits of mindfulness. Neuroplasticity shows that what we practice grows stronger, including mindfulness. The amygdala hijack explains how mindfulness can help us manage our emotional responses. Mindfulness creates space for thoughtful responses instead of impulsive reactions. The vagus nerve plays a crucial role in the benefit of mindfulness. Regular practices is essential to truly benefit from mindfulness. Mindfulness can positively impact our mental and physical health in numerous ways. How to practice mindfulness? The first is deep breathing exercise. Relax and take a breath deeply. Then comes walking meditation. Walking meditation. Then coloring meditation. Mindful eating. Gratitude practices. Prayer. Gentle movement, that is yoga. Mindful connections. Are you mindful or mindful? The choice is yours. Reflecting on the wisdom of living in the present moment. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful week.